Hello, welcome to Market Analysis channel. Today, I will be doing analysis on Aragon. Aragon has now been rising ever since it hit our last support zone that we projected, that we drew analysis on at point 4, around the 200-day moving average. That finally marked the exhaustion bar from the sellers. And as this bar was huge with its wide range, the volume was around the average volume. That finally marked the indication that the sellers has gotten exhausted and buyers take charge. When buyers take charge on this particular bar, which is a very wide range bar, it closes around the peak of its range. This is the type of bar and volume that always change direction of the market with its above average volume, and that push up the price above the 50-day average line. It starts a rally gradually, and the rally is moving onward and upward. When you look at the price from this blue bar, you can count the number of red, very few in number compared to the number of bullish bar, the blue ones, which are heading in the direction of the trend. On this particular bar, something happened. Why the price take a high here and it's now resting, making a little sideways trading, using that to take some rest and then recharging itself on this current bar, which will now continue the rally upward towards its prior resistance at point 3. The volume became very low. Why it was rising a little bit, the volume was well above below average, but in this area now the thing changed finally as the volume continued to dry up. Why the volume continued to dry up is an indication that sellers have been exhausted. We only just need few volumes coming in from the buyers and the price will continue as it has already rallied. While it's still bouncing off the 200-day, the 21-day exponential moving average, traders can still be adding more to their position. It has been confirmed already from point 4 that rally has started and is still going onward and upward. The beautiful thing about this is it's just starting and it still have long way to go. So you can still join this rally if you still want to benefit from Aragon. Guys, I would like you to subscribe to the channel if you want to encourage me to continue doing more analysis on your favorite cryptocurrency pair. I appreciate if you can like the video, share with your friends. Your subscription is what keeps the channel going and it's what makes me want to post more analysis for you to watch. Oh, I always appreciate your support. Okay, let's continue. When you look at the price as it's heading towards point 3, which happens to be its prior resistance, we need to look what happened earlier before we arrive at point 3. I'll now be zooming out so we can see the big picture. Towards the end of last year and beginning of the year, that was when the rally started, and they make a great move up to point 1. Sellers come in at that point. They send the price downward to the 50-day average, hoping the buyers will push up from there, but the buyers are weak enough and the price finally break below that level, hitting the 200-day moving average, even trading below it around point 2. While it got to point 2, the buyer wake up from their slumber and this upward close bar occur, which sent the price, which marked the bottom, and the buyers continue to push the price upward. They fought a little bit around the 200-day moving average. That's also a flaw to the buyers. It's always much more easier for buyers to add more strength around this level, and that's exactly what happened. Why they are doing that, the price now shoots up from the 200-day moving average, trading as high as point 3, now hitting the current resistance zone. Then as the price hit the resistance zone, we have this downward close bar around the low of its range. Despite its bullish bar, it always marked the end of a significant rally, why it's also sent the price downward again, testing above the 200-day moving average around point 4. While it does this, it's a very good indication. Let's watch what happened from point 3 to point 4. Why there was correction going on from 3 to 4. Look at the chart underneath from point 3 to 4. The volume was very low. So what this means is that the correction does not have enough leg to continue its movement, and just few number of buyers will send the price up. We only have this upward close bar with huge volume, and it changed everything. That's a very beautiful indication, and that's a very beautiful knowledge if you understand the psychology of price action movement. As the price is now heading towards the resistance, let's now focus on our target. Our target point, it's a very drastic one on Aragon. I'll be zooming out, so we'll be checking the big picture, because once it finally take off from here, it has a long way to go, which is around 15.000. That's our target on Aragon, as presently it's trading around 3.67, 3.6, which will also calculate that will take it a very beautiful and a nice upward rally to get to that 15. How did we arrive at this price? When you look at the chart from the left side, that happens to be around the area when Aragon hit resistance. You can see it hit resistance in this area about twice, one in this particular time and the other one here. So that level is a very significant one, and it's heading towards the same level now. That's why we expect that's why we expect Aragon to take some breath once it finally reach this particular price. So if you are still holding Aragon, you don't need to worry about your coin holding. It still have a long way to go, and the rally has started, and the rally is still going onward and upward. So don't make sure you lose hope on your coin holding, and as it's heading towards the profit target. If this analysis really help you, subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, paste it in the comment section. You also like the video and share. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next analysis. Bye.